A lack of roof space in the shoulder joint is the underlying cause of shoulder impingement, bursitis and rotator cuff strain. Now there's three main causes of this lack of space within the shoulder, and most people with shoulder issues have all three. So let's fix that with three simple exercises. The more that your shoulder blade rotates up as you lift your arm, the more roof space you have in your shoulder socket, so let's start with that. To set up, start on your hands and knees on a towel or bedspread with your arms in front of you. Grab the towel and push away from your knees. Maintain this push on the towel the whole time. Firstly, allow yourself to sink towards your hands so that your shoulder blades come together. Keep your elbows, back and neck straight. The only thing that should move is your shoulder blades. Then push away so that your shoulder blades move apart. Do this on a few different angles to get the hang of it, always with your elbows straight, maintaining traction on the towel the whole time. The lower you go, the more you're strengthening the muscles that rotate your shoulder blades up. Finally, push so that your shoulder blades separate, and then maintain that push as you lower your body and vary the shoulder angle for about 5 seconds or so. Repeat this 5 to 10 times until light fatigue every second day. This strengthens the two muscles that combine to pivot the shoulder blade upwards as you lift your arm. A forward tilted shoulder blade reduces the space in the shoulder too. Straightening up your shoulder blade and mid-back both help with this, and this exercise does both. Roll up a towel on a slight angle so that it forms a tapered roll that's about 40 centimeters long and about 5 to 7 centimeters wide. Then lie face up on a hard surface with legs bent and place the towel underneath your mid-back in the midline so that it extends from the base of your neck to your lowest ribs. You want the towel roll to be the size that makes it a little challenging to tuck your chin down and look straight up, to look vertically. To finish your setup, tighten your abdominal muscles to stop any rib flare. Now do a floor angel. Start with your arms up and out, palms up, and slowly lower your arms along the ground. Keep your elbows and wrists back as far as you can comfortably, and move your arms down as far as you can. Then slowly move back up, keeping your elbows and wrists back, and repeat that 10 times slowly every second day. This strengthens the muscles that move your shoulder blades into a more upright position. And allowing gravity to stretch you back over the towel mobilizes the mid-back to help you straighten up your spine. Both of these actions reduce the forward tilt of the shoulder blade to increase roof space in the shoulder. Strengthening your rotator cuff muscles holds the head of the humerus or the arm bone down within the shoulder, increasing space within the shoulder socket as well. But adding a retraction component to traditional rotator cuff muscle exercises is the key to better results here. Lie on your side, head supported, with the shoulder that you want to work on up. Now the traditional way to do this is to put a rolled towel between your elbow and body, press in slightly to isolate the rotator cuff muscles, and then slowly lift and lower a 1 to 2 kilogram weight. But let's add the retraction component. Before you lift the weight, actively draw your shoulder back and down within the joint and then lift up. This helps to enhance that stabilizing function of those muscles. It can help to put a finger against the front of your shoulder and then try to move your shoulder back and down slightly away from your finger and hold your shoulder there as you externally rotate. Now you're focusing on the stabilizing function of the rotator cuff muscles as you strengthen them. It even helps straighten your shoulder blade like in step 2. Repeat this until light fatigue every second day. Now you can add this retraction component to other classic external rotation exercises like with bands too. Now there are other things that you can do to help your shoulder. Releasing any shoulder capsule tightness that reduces space within the shoulder can help. And stretching your pecs can help to reduce that forward tilt in your shoulder blade. So I'll leave links to videos about those two things below. Plus, if you'd like to see my video on the 3 exercises everyone in the world should do, I'll leave a link for that too. Anyway, there you go. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing because it always really helps. And let me know how you go in the comment section below because I really like to read that stuff. It's great feedback. Okay, cheers.